So I just want to show you how cheap right now a DX Commander, let's say 40 meter classic. Right, if you're in the USA, you will have probably heard on the news that UK is having a bit of a meltdown. So the exchange rate is $1.1 to the pound. $1.1 to the pound. Now, what does that mean? Okay, because I sell in pound notes. Okay, you buy in dollars. So I just want to show you how cheap right now a DX Commander, let's say 40 meter classic, is between me selling it here and you buying it in the USA and getting it normally the same week. So the classic is £209. There's a price increase due, but right now it's £209. So that 2.9, if we convert that to, well, we got shipping as well. And I happen to know we charge £40 shipping. Well, it's going to be about $44 shipping. And you'll get it that week, okay? So we're after £249. And we want that to be how many dollars? Well, I'm going to look it up for you. $281.91. Now, PayPal probably went a big commission depending on the exchange rate. Call it $290 probably. So you're getting a DX Commander delivered for $290. Okay. Now, important for US. This is really important for the US. I don't charge VAT on any of my sales, ignoring UK, because in fact we just lump all them into the no VAT sales. Basically, we discount for our own market, the UK market. You'll pay no import duties, all right? You'll pay no sales tax. So that price there, $290, is what you'll pay for a DX Commander 40 meter kit delivered to your house. And I just thought it's worth my while saying that, because a lot of people think the shipping's going to be $100 or something like that. We are due a price increase. Inflation is sky high here at the moment in the UK. So if you want one of these, get in the next 6 weeks or so before I start tinkering with the prices. Okay, £290. DX Commander, all band vertical. Add another roll of wire, you can be on 80 as well. All right, inverted L. That's all I wanted to say for my US friends. All the best now. Bye for now. Oh, next video's here. Nearly forgot.